on the stickers, and we have a collection. Welcome to wareeshasworld. Hi, today we're opening Party Pop Teenies, and we just had to open something, so let's get started. Here's the box. Let's open it. So cool, guys. And let's open this one. So, see this? It's sticky in this side only. So we got this out. And let's see the girl. So this is the girl we have. And this is a makeup table. It has a heart. And this is the tiny chick. It's so cute. And we have later. Let's open the surprise. What is that? This is hard. Let's open it later. And let's open this. Pizza. What is that? Glass. My favorite color blue. Let's open this one next. What is that? It's a spatula. Oh, it's a plate. What is that? Maybe it's for water. And a plate. This is hard to open. We forgot to open one more, so let's open it. It's a hamburger. Now they can have enough things to eat. And let's see what this was actually the chair. So I'm going to tell everything we have. So we have a chair, we have a girl, we have 2 cups, and we have a bee, and we have a cute little chick. We have 2 plates and 1 hamburger and a ice cream and a pizza. These are the things we have, and let's see what is in here. Oh, it looks really cool. And maybe this is a house. Oh, let's open some of this. Maybe this is bingo. What is this? Wow. These are stickers. Good. What are these? On the stickers, and we have a collection. We can collect them all. And let's see which one we got. What is this? Maybe it's anything you want. This one. But it has a different ear bag. Right? That is this one. I think so. And I really wanted the mermaid. I wanted the ice cream. Let's open the next one. What? It's flipped. Oh, it's a house. Let's open it. It's a birthday party. And let's open it. And there's you saw the unicorn cake and the balloons. That was so cool. So we got the under chair, and we got the unicorn cake, and we got a birthday hat and a table. And let's put the under chair here, and there's the birthday hat, and his name is Elva. And let's decorate the house with stickers. Here's one sticker. I'm going to put the healthy things here, and I'm going to put the unhealthy here. And so we don't have to open from here. So you just have to open. 4, 5, didn't do it. Let's do it again. Nice. Yay! Ready. I hope you like this toy because I love this toy, and take a thumbs up for it and subscribe. Bye. Please now subscribe if you like this video. Please subscribe and I have a surprise for you. Ready, set.